Hello, my beautiful boy. Yeah, what have you been doing? Did you have a good sleep? Yeah? Give me a kiss. Kiss. Mwah. Thank you. Aren't you beautiful? Yeah. Is that you? Say hello, everybody. Yeah, say hello. What have you been doing? Yeah. Did you have good sleep? Yeah, it was really hot last night, wasn't it? Yeah, it's gonna be hot again today. Yeah. It was like 37 degrees yesterday. Lucky we kept the fan on. And your room all closed up, hey? Yeah. So we're gonna do the same today because it's really hot out there. Yeah? You gonna come hang out with Mum in the aircon? Hey? Yeah? Come hang with Mum today. Who's my beautiful boy? Yeah? What you doing? Can I have a kiss? Kiss. Mwah. Thank you. I love you. Yes, I do. Mwah. Hello, my baby. Mwah. Yeah. You had some people on your channel say hello to you. Yeah? You say hello to everybody? Yes. Hey? Yeah? Yeah. They love you. Yeah, they think you're a cheeky boy. You are. You're a cheeky boy. Yeah? Come on then. We go hang out? Yeah? We go hang out, Mum? Hey? Yeah. Come on then. Let's go. Let's go. Hello, Echo, my beautiful girl. Yeah? Did you have a good sleep last night? Yeah, you did. Ah, you can do your beautiful little dance. Yeah, you're so beautiful. You're still molting, aren't you? Yeah, I found some nice big feathers. Yes, I did. Yes. Hello, beautiful girl. Yeah. Hello. You want Mum pat you? You want Mum give you pat? Hello, baby. Oh, not bitey. Yeah, you little terror. Oh, yeah. Is that my beautiful girl? Yeah. Is that buddy flying around? Yeah, he crazy, isn't he? Hey? Yeah, it's my beautiful girl. Hey? Yeah, hello, Bobby. Here's my girl. Ready? Alright, let's go. Whee! You're out and free. What you doing? Hey? What you doing? Yeah, hello? You hanging out, Mum, today? Yeah? What's going on? Huh? Yeah? What's going on? And I'm my cheeky boy, aren't ya? Yeah? I'm hanging out, Mum, today? Hey? Yeah, it's a cheeky baby. Hey? Bub. Oh. Where are you going? Oh, you're up there. What are you doing? Come on then. Hey! You can't fly onto the phone. Yeah? Crazy? Yeah, crazy boy. Oi. Alright then. Come on then. I'm going to do some washing. Can you help Mum do the washing? Yeah? Come on then. Yeah. Taking over the kids' stuff now. Hey? Yeah. Taking over the kids' stuff. Oh. What you doing? Yeah? You hanging out? Yeah. What you doing? Cheeky boy. Say hello. Do you want some corn? Oh. Isn't that nice? Yeah, you got a bit of corn. got corn. Got the apple. Apple. Yummy. Yeah, yummy apple. Capsicum. Yum. Yeah. Yellow capsicum. Yummy. You want a sunflower seed? Yum! You love sunflower seeds, don't you? Yep, you pull all the shell off and eat the middle, don't you? Yum! Yum! Get some more corn? Here you go, you're spoiled, aren't you? You can pick from all the different seeds.